This morning I took delivery of a new monitor from LG, and this is the unboxing video. The model number of this monitor is 24MP88HV-S. This monitor has a full HD IPS Infinity display. It weighs in at just over 3 kilos, and the dimensions including the stand are 54 centimeters by 18.5 centimeters by 41.5 centimeters. So first off in the box we have the quality assurance report. We have what looks to be part of the stand in brushed silver. We have the monitor arm. And we have a pack of more cables and paperwork. Here we have a UK power adapter. Next we have a CD containing the drivers and the software for the monitor. Now we have a VGA cable. Here we have a white cap for the monitor stand. Here is a cable tidy bracket along with some screws to fix the monitor stand to the monitor. Here is the power adapter for the monitor. Here is a HDMI cable. And here is a small collection of the monitor's documentation, including the quick start guide. Finally, here is the actual monitor. Now as you can see, it has a very thin bezel around the side, which gives it an infinity display. Now on the bottom edge of the monitor, you'll see what looks to be 2 speaker vents, along with a small control button in the middle. On the rear of the monitor you have a power in socket, a headphone jack, a audio in jack, you have a VGA port and 2 HDMI ports. You'll also find a Visa mount on the back of the monitor. Here are a few sample videos showing off the quality of the display. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.